Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I've been using the Motorola Razr Plus for about a week now, and I want to give an update to everyone on my experiences so far with the device. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. I just want to go over my experiences with the Motorola Razr Plus for using it for about a little bit over a week now. It's probably about a week and a half. And I just want to give y'all an update on my experiences, go over some concerns I have with it, and then also what I'm enjoying about the Motorola Razr Plus. But let's get into it. Some of the concerns I mentioned already. The biggest concern that I have is how long and what will happen with the hinge, and then also will the crease get bigger and noticeable more than what it is now. Will this hinge last, to the opening and closing of it? I mean, I know Samsung had some issues with it early on. We don't really know the longevity of these hinges yet, but they are getting better, so I just have questions about it. Motorola's been doing the Razr for a couple years now, so do we trust them? Yeah, we should, but that's one question and concern I still have about the phone. Right now, the hinge is perfect. I mean, you can put it almost in any type of angle and it will stay open. So, and the crease is not bad right now, but I'm still a little concerned about it. Time will tell on that, so just keep that in mind. The other concern I have, will they update, and can they update and make the cameras a little bit better? Again, the cameras, I did a camera test. You can check that video out. The cameras are not the horrible cameras, but are they up to par to like the Samsungs, the Huaweis, the Oppos of the world? Right now, I'm gonna say no. Now, or can you get away with it? Yes. I mean, the videos came out good. The pictures looked a little washed out, but I think updates can actually help that out a little bit. Well, time will tell on that too. Again, it's only been a week and a half since I've been having a phone, so hopefully they can make the cameras better, but the cameras are still one of the concerns. The other concern is how many updates will I get? Will I get the promised 4 OS updates? Will they give me the, every other month with the security patch? We don't know. Motorola doesn't have the best track record when it comes to updates, so that will also tell. Now, on the other concern, will the battery life get any better than what it is now? It is not horrible, but it's decent. And I'm not the only one that said that. A couple other people, if you watch their videos, they did worry about the battery life, and it's not the best, but it's not horrible. The other thing to point out is that this is 30-watt fast charging, and this day and age, we should be having a little bit faster charging, because there's other devices that can charge in like 20 to 30 minutes. This one takes at least an hour to charge from 0 to 100. Now, do you let your phone get to 0? I usually don't, but it's just a point that they could increase that on the next phone. For me, that's not a deal breaker. As far as the charging speed, I can charge it overnight, I'm fine. The battery life, I'm still working on it, still concerned about it. Right now it says I'm at 45%. Let's see, let's take a look. Normally I don't look at the battery. If I can get through the day, I'm good. But let's see, what is my screen on time? It says I have 2 hours and 46 minutes. I could, but I haven't been using it too much at work. So, but I have been using it since I've been home. I don't know, I don't really look at screen on time. Can I get the phone off at 6 o'clock? And can I put it on the charger about 10 or 11 o'clock at night? If I can, I'm good to go. But time will tell if the battery will get better. And battery life is very subjective too. I mean, I might have horrible battery life. You may think you have the best battery life in the world. Now, those are the concerns I have about the phone, or some dislikes I have about it. The rest of this is going to be, the things I'm really enjoying about it. Overall, I am enjoying the experiences with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. It works great. The 165 hertz display right here. I mean, it's smooth, no hiccups. Using this as an everyday phone, making phone calls, speaker calls, you know, the normal things that you do with a regular phone, it works perfectly fine. The speaker phone on here is great. I haven't had any call drops or, you know, mixed tests or anything like that. So everything like that, using it as an everyday phone has been great. Playing games with that Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset has been good. You can check out my gamer review. I didn't have any hiccups. It didn't really drain the battery that much. The phone got a little warm, but not overheated. So the gaming on here has been good. The experiences that you get with the gaming is really good on here also. The speakers on here are good. I mean, they're not the greatest, but they work. When you're watching YouTube, Netflix, and everything like that, they are really good. Now, I mentioned the display in 165 hertz refresh rate. Again, watching YouTube on this OLED panel, the 1080p, it's good. It has good colors. Watching YouTube with the speakers, no issues there. I love the 6.9 inch screen. I love the overall build quality of the phone. I love how the aluminum sides are the same color. I like the vegan leather in the back, so that's always a nice feature. It's really grippy, so it doesn't feel like you're going to lose or drop your phones. I love the overall build quality of this phone, but I saved the best for last. The game changing on this phone is this 3.6 inch external display. This is a game changer. I know Samsung, the Flip 5 is gonna have like a 3.4 inch screen, which is pretty good, but what you can do on here, I mean, I play games on here. I can text and call. I can play these little games on here. You have your steps. You get everything that you want. I mean, even you get Twitter and notifications down here. The typing experience has been good. So this is the game changer. You can use this phone closed a lot more than what you think you would. I've been using this closed a lot. Even watching YouTube, if I want to just watch a small video or shorts, it's okay, you can definitely watch it. Now, I will not watch Netflix on here. You know, you can, but I would never watch Netflix. My eyes were not too small for that. But everything else, I mean, you have almost any app on here. Like I said, I do this like 5 times already. I already have Twitter on here. So if I want to just check it out, I can check out Twitter. I can check out Facebook. You know, so there's many different things you can do on here, and you can put almost any app. ESPN app, I mean, calculator, you can check your emails. So the 3.6 inch external display is a game changer for this Motorola Razr 2, or Motorola Razr Plus, not 2. And it's really a game changer for this device. I'm gonna have to say right now, this is the best flip phone out right now. Now, will Samsung beat it? I don't know. I might actually pick up a Flip 5 for the first time in my YouTube career and try out the Flip, compare it to the Razr Plus also. All right, so let's wrap it up. Overall, I'm enjoying my experiences with it. If you have the phone, which a lot of y'all do, let me know in the comments. Are you enjoying it? Do you rock with this front screen a lot? What color do you get? Just let me know in the comments. If you like this video, if you disagree or agree with me, let me know that also. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, so that way you know when I'm dropping my latest video with the Motorola Plus. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.